United Arab Emirates by Ivan Castillo, David Garcia, Denise Garcia, Victoria Gonzalez, and Ramiro Gonzalez. What to know before traveling. Passports will need to be obtained prior to travel, and you want to make sure that the passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond the date of entry into the UAE. You must also exit the UAE with the passport that was used to enter into the country. If anything should happen to your original passport, you must report that to the UAE Immigration Office. At the moment, there are no specific immunizations that are needed in order to enter the UAE, but it is strongly advised that all of your immunizations are current and up to date. Prior to travel, you also want to make sure that you exchange your American dollars into UAE currency, which is also known as AED. When it comes to insurance, you want to make sure that your current insurance provider provides coverage overseas just in case of emergency. And just a friendly reminder, prior to departure, you will be required to pay a $35 fee in UAE currency. Coming up next is Ramiro with what to do upon arrival.
Okay, I'm going over what to do upon arrival. Clothing. Modesty is extremely important when dressing in the UAE, not only for men but also women. Do not wear revealing clothing, and that includes open-toed shoes such as sandals. It is custom for men to wear a suit and tie. For women, a suit with a skirt. Do not wear a hijab unless you plan on visiting a religious site. When you're doing your greetings, always acknowledge and greet the oldest person in the room first and foremost. This is a sign of respect in the Muslim culture. When exchanging business cards, be sure you do this with your right hand. That's a sign of disrespect doing it with your left. During meetings, you will notice that the UAE business owners have a relaxed attitude, especially during business meetings, and may also arrive late. So expect to be there a little while. Meetings may be chaotic, so just be sure to stay patient.
What to expect and what to avoid. What to expect. The religion of the UAE is Islam. Road safety is the highest risk among the population. Pickpocketing and thieves are very common. Adaptability when arranging a meeting is vital. Be presentable. Be discreet and conform to the local laws. Now, what to avoid. Avoid eating and drinking in public. Never ask for alcohol unless it's being served. Avoid Abu Musa Island as territorial conflicts affect that land. The UAE allows freedom of religion, but proselytizing is illegal. Avoid carrying valuables on yourself due to the thieves. Forbiddance of public display of affection. Now with Victoria with the next slide.
When scheduling meetings with people from the UAE, do so weeks in advance, preferably in the mornings. Meetings are usually in cafes or restaurants and are often informal. You can expect lots of interruptions. Meetings within the office do occur as well. Regardless, being punctual is very important. If a meeting is being held at a person's home, remove your shoes in the designated location before entering. Once a meeting is established and everyone has come together, be sure to offer tea or coffee while you and your guests are sitting down as a sign of respect. At this time, you may exchange business cards. The card should be dual-sided with the Arabic translation facing upwards and given in your right hand only. A white card with a simple design is most appropriate as well. When greeting your guests, start with the most senior person first using a gentle handshake. As a male, avoid physical interactions with females unless they initiate it first. To greet your guest or host, say Assalamu alaikum. This means peace be with you. To respond to this phrase, say Wa alaikum assalam. Peace be upon you too. If you are ever offered anything, be sure to accept it. You don't have to finish what is offered, such as food, but you shouldn't deny your host's generosity. Additionally, gifts aren't required, but they are a great idea to establish a relationship. Give something that is meaningful to your host, perhaps something that deals with a hobby of theirs. Another idea would be something from your company. And now, here's Yvonne.
How to interact in a business conversation. When in the UAE, business is conducted on a personal relationship basis and mutual trust between the two parties. It is best to start a conversation on the topic of family. Be excessively polite throughout the entire meeting. Avoid criticism and sensitive topics. Accept and compliment anything you are offered when it comes to food and hospitality. Decisions can and will be slow and delayed. Keep this in mind during your business meeting. Do not discuss politics, religion, law, or local authorities in a negative light. You can expect phone calls or people to walk in and interrupt your meeting, but that's normal.